May has 5 Wednesdays. We've got something extra special for you on the 5th Wednesday, that's the 29th of May. We've got our next Leadership Development Night. Everybody is welcome to come along, and we've got a special guest, Lucas Dewhurst from Life Church in Warrington, coming to share the word with us. We hope you can join us 29th of May for the Leadership Development Night.
Are you in year 6? Then we want to welcome you along to 180 Youth from the 7th of June. We're going to be having a special theme night, and it'd be a great opportunity for you to come along and see exactly what 180 Youth is all about before you actually go up to high school in September. So we're going to be having a mighty melons night. We're going to be carving melons, we're going to be bowling melons, we're going to be smashing melons, and all sorts of other things with melons too. It's going to be an awful lot of fun. So please make sure to come along on the 7th of June to 180 Youth if you're in year 6.
Hello ladies, I would like to encourage you to come over to our Devoted Women's Conference, which is taking place on the 20th of October. Our guest speaker is Deborah Green, and she'll be coming to share the word with you all. You can get the ticket via Church Exchange or via our website, and bring friends and family. It's going to be a great time. See you there.
Sunday the 30th of June is a date for your diary, and it's the day we're going to have Hope in the Park. It's always a really good laugh and it's great fun, and we invite you to come and join us at 12 noon here at Hickman Park, where we're going to have a picnic together. We're going to be meeting with other churches in Bilston and Brady and sharing the word of God with the town of Bilston. So we hope you can join us Sunday the 30th of June at 12 noon. We're just a few weeks away now from Sunday the 9th of June, when we will be going to double services. So a reminder for you of our service times as of the 9th of June. There will be 9:30 a.m. and 11:45 a.m. Now you still get your refreshments. They're going to be before the 9:30 service and after the 11:45. So make sure you come nice and early for the 9:30 service if you want to get yourself a coffee and a pastry. It's half term, which means our normal midweek children's and youth programmes, that's Noah's Ark, G-Force and 180, are taking a week's break, and we'll be back the following week. We'd love to invite you to our mental health awareness event, which is happening on Saturday the 15th of June at 5 p.m. We've got a guest speaker, Pastor Julie Keir from Audacious Church in Manchester. She is a psychotherapist, and she's going to be bringing some teaching, some really good quality teaching on mental health and how you can have good mental health, and bringing it from a Christian perspective. So we'd love you to join us for that. It's open to everyone, so please come along 15th of June at 5 p.m. Our church weekend away, Strength Will Rise, is coming up very soon, which means a reminder to you that there will be no services here on Sunday the 2nd of June at Excel Church. That's everything for Excel News. Hope you have a fantastic week.